Welcome back to this new video, guys, of TechExpress. Today what I'm going to be doing here is to show you exactly one of the leading the color schemes in the Shopify themes. So the process is not that hard, so to get started, the first thing to do, what I need to do of course, is to have the non-technical solution for most users. So if you just have a custom color scheme and you don't want to use it anymore, so the simple solution is just to leave it and not assign to any section. So to go into your online store, I'm going to go for my home dashboard, click into themes, select my element, and what you want to do is to look out for the customization active theme. Really important to look out for the one that says current theme, so otherwise the process won't be working. And I can recommend you that every time you wanted to make some changes into your current theme, really important to click into these three dots and go for duplicate. So and just in case something goes wrong, you always have the backup section here. So that's the reason why I have a lot of let's say versions of the theme library, so I don't mess this around, and you can be deleting those later on. But in this case, I'm going to focus only for this one. This one is the one that we're using. I select the element that says published, and now it's my copyright in here. So go for three dots. I rename this. Let's go for Savor 3.2 and hit for customized. Now the next thing to do, you'll see the color schemes here. If you focus into the theme settings color into this left element, colors, here we go. So as you can see, there is no delete button. For most people, simply ignoring the unwanted schemes is perfectly fine. So however, if you developer just wanted a clean theme without any unused scheme clutter of the settings, you need to follow the next step, which is the technical solution. So before you touch any code, you must duplicate your theme as I just told you. Really important. We have now making this process now into the code editor of the left element. I'm going to close this into my exit tab. Once again, here is my element. I'm going to hit into these three dots, and what you wanted to do is to go for the option that says edit the code. Now in the code editor on the left, find the configuration folder and click into the file name settings data.json. So here's the configuration element, and I'm going to click into settings data JSON. This is file stores and all your theme setting and presets. Now this is a very sensitive file. One small comma out of a place can break your entire theme setting, so be extremely careful in here. Right, so inside the settings, I'm gonna make my research by clicking whatever in here, just Ctrl F, really important, and just type the word color, and it might be finding me my color schemes right over here. So here it is, my color schemes. So you'll find this section that lists all your colors, the themes as a JSON object, each with an ID and a list of colors. It would look something like scheme number 1, scheme number 2, scheme number 3. So find the color scheme you want to delete. For example, let's say that I'm going to be opening my customization tab once again, theme settings, colors, and let's say that I wanted to delete the scheme number 3. I don't want to see these anymore. So let's go back. I look out for my scheme number 3, and once you find this, you wanted to highlight the entire block code for that scheme, including the curly braces and the name and colon before. So for example, I select from here, from this specific space, and I just go all my way down until the end of this. Then I delete the entire block. Now this is critical step because check for the commas. If you delete a scheme that was in the middle of a list, you must also delete the comma after the preceding scheme. If you delete the last scheme, you mustn't show the second to the last scheme, so it doesn't have it track my comma. So in my case, I have 2 commas in here, so I delete those and I hit for save. Now go back to the theme customizer and refresh the page and see if your scheme no longer appears. In my case, it no longer appears, and voila, the process has now been successfully done. So there you have it, guys, a complete guide to the leading color schemes in Shopify themes. While the process isn't as simple as clicking a button, by carefully editing the settings data file, you can truly clean up your theme settings and maintain a streamlined, organized store. So every time you finish with this process, make sure that you have saved this and close all, and you are good to go. Let's go back into the customization of the themes, and you can close this, and you're now ready to move on and add a new scheme if you want to. So with that being said, guys, don't forget to like, share this video, and make sure to subscribe to TechXpress for more essential e-commerce guide and powerful platform tutorials. Ring the notification bell so you don't miss out the next video. Thank you once again for watching. I'll catch you guys next time.